Want to generate barcodes for your products on Shopify? Here's how to do it. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left menu, click Apps, then click Add. Here, scroll down until you find Discover More in the Shopify App Store. Click on it. It will take you to this page. Here on the search bar, type Retail Barcode Labels and press Install. Once installed, click the app and open it, and then click Create Barcode Labels. Choose the products or variants you want barcodes for. You can filter by product type, collection, or manually select items. Then choose your label template. Shopify supports format like Dymo and Avery. Select the one that fits your printer. In the next step, make sure Barcode Auto is selected so Shopify generates barcodes for you. You can also include other info like product title or price. Click Print Labels, and done! Now you have barcodes for your inventory, ready for retail or scanning. Pro tip, you can also export barcodes in bulk or attach them directly to a physical tag. That's how to create barcodes fast with Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.